Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mushil, graphics design trainer. Today I will show you how to make a USA flag with simple steps. I will do it with rectangle shape and zigzag effect. For this tutorial I am using Adobe Illustrator to complete the whole process. So let's start. First I will create a new document. So I am going to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboard. I duplicate the artboard for a blank document. I delete everything. Just keep the color. First, I will take a rectangle from the rectangle tool. Make a color. I will duplicate it in 6 times. Now I will go to Effect, Distort Transform, Zigzag. I will click Smooth Radio button. From this button you can increase or decrease the size of the wave. After complete this process, I take 8 pixels. After complete the process, click OK. Now click Object, Expand Appearance. Now I will go to Object again, Compound Path and Make. So it is now a compound shape. Now I will click the rectangle and take a rectangle. I will select the two objects. I will go to Intersect. Now we get the flag wave effect. Now we will duplicate the flag wave shape. Then we select the last 3 lines, delete. Now I will take a rectangle again, make the rectangle color blue. Make the 4 line shape, compound path. So object, compound path, make. Select the 2 objects, then click intersect. So now I get the flag second object. So now fill the object with the pen tool. Click, click, click. Select the everything. Click divide and unite. So take the flag blue part in the top of the flag. Now make some star. I am making some star with the Start Shape tool. For the flag stand, please click the rectangle shape tool again and draw a rectangle line. Make the color gray. Take a ellipse tool and make a small ellipse top of the rectangle. Take the rectangle tool again and make a rectangle for base point of the stand. So now it looks like a USA flag icon. So hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.